Hello guys, welcome back to another new video, and this video will gonna help you in your mindset. I'm just revealing my secret why I am creating this video, recording this video and uploading this all content on my social media platform, like on my YouTube, on my Instagram, everywhere. Why? Reason behind this is the only one thing that I want to tell you, which is also very important for you, my dear. Trust me. Listen to me very carefully and try to understand my perspective, what I am gonna say in this video. So please focus on my content. I do my best. I try my best to understand. Try to like understand you. So I think I have to clear vision. You should also have a clear vision that, like, first questions arises in mind that why I am uploading this video on my social media platform. Because Gary Vaynerchuk is a entrepreneur, and he said that you should document your life, like what is going in your life, what challenges are you facing, what you are learning. Just document that things on your social media platform in form of recorded, you can say in the form of writing section, any type of content you have to share this, like, because main reason I concern two things. Let's suppose you have two goals. Okay, first goals you make to that you have to achieve a goals, and you just commit to yourself, not reveal in the public, not say to your parents, not say to your brother, your sister, your family members, no anyone. You know, only secretly you make a goals, and the another goal you make and you reveal to everyone that I am going to achieve this after this time period. What will happen? Just listen, just think what will happen. If you make two goals, first is your private, like no one know about that things, and the second is publicly, everyone know the things, what you have achieved, what you promise to the other people. After some time, when you start to working on your goals, after some days, after some time, you realize that you face some kinds of constraints, some kinds of obstacles in your path, because if you want to achieve anything, you have to face through tough times, you have to face through obstacles. Like our mind, not working like that, we think that. So you have to understand things. Your mind said this is too much tough, I should skip this, I don't have to do this, it will be later, I will do it later after some time. This is procrastination, and it is another kind of procrastination. You are not saying that ki, I will not do it, you are saying I will do but not now, after some time, right? So your private goal, if you create the things, then your private goal you will escape. If nobody know about that goal, you can easily skip that things. But what of your publicly goal? You committed in front of people, you committed in front of your family members, in front of your friends, everyone, then why you say that I just committed, I have to achieve this anyhow, at any cost, you have to achieve this. That's why I'm putting my video on YouTube, like I want learn English anyhow, because we know that this is our second language and we should learn this. So that's why I put video. You should also make your video if you want to learn anything, any skills. So you have to share the knowledge, what you learn, what you are learning, what is your process of learning, what is your strategy, how you are learning the things, what you are doing. Like I am doing what I am doing for learning English. Like first thing, I read a lot right now. I'm reading too much to attain information, to grab information, to grab knowledge, to grab the vocabulary power. That's why reading. Then listening is very important. That's why I listen too much also. My whole day is reading and listening, and like speaking. I don't have right now any other options to speak to someone, to somebody. That's why I open my camera and speak in front of camera and say to you and upload this video in front of you. You can give me the feedback if you know English very well. Otherwise, if you also want to learn English, you can also make this video, this kind of video you should make. Because first thing, you will clear, you will remove your fear. If you record this video and upload on social media, you have some courage, then you should upload, then you will upload. So understand my point. So make a little goal that you know that if you can achieve it very easily. Not everything is not you can attain very easily, but you have to understand like you can attain after some period of time. If you work hard on this topic, then you will learn these things. Then just reveal this goal in front of people and say to people, after during this 3 to 6 months, I will learn these skills. And after 6 months, you see yourself, you totally changed, according to your mindset, according to perspective, what you are learning, your knowledge will increase. So this is the very most important things why I upload this video on my YouTube channel and on my social media platform. Because of this, because I just reveal in front of you, we have to learn English anyhow at any cost. So I know my pronunciation is not good, I know my English is not good, not at pro level. So I want that things, and definitely it will be achievable. It will be this is a very realistic goals. This is you and I can achieve this very easily if we work consistently on this topic. So be with me and support me. Then I will make another kind of video that is very informative for you. You have to understand your point and my point, then support me. And if you know English very well, you can guide me in comment section. You can say anything, any feedback. I want to know from your side, because you are my friends, and I have to learn from your side also. So thank you so much for listening me